Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. Till now we have finished 6-time revisions of NCERT Biology. We have done 2-time revision of chapter-wise revision of NCERT class 11th and 12th Biology and 4-time unit-wise revision. Starting from today we are going to move one step further and आज से we are going to start with jumbled MCQ practices. Every day I'm going to provide you MCQs from class 11th and class 12th NCERT Biology jumbled. Now the aim over here is to help you think and remember everything of biology together. So keep revising your NCERT biology side by side and keep practicing these MCQs every day so that you get an extra edge over other students. Plus every Sunday we are going to start with a mega MCQ round in which we are going to provide you with MCQs from one of the units, 50 MCQs each Sunday from one of the units. So starting from coming Sunday we would be providing unit wise revision again, and every day we will be providing you with 50 MCQs from that unit. So without wasting much time, let's get started with today's daily biology MCQs. Question number 1. Which one of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other pertaining to the features stated against them? Option A. Garden lizard and crocodile, three-chambered heart. Option B. Ascaris and Ancylostoma, metameric segmentation. Option C. Seahorse and flying fish, cold-blooded. Option D. Pteropus and Ornithorhynchus viviparity. Which one of the following pairs of animals are similar to each other regarding to the feature that is stated against them? The correct answer is option C, that is seahorse and flying fish. In option A, crocodile is having a four-chambered heart, and in option B, Ornithorhynchus is a egg layer, that is it is oviparous, not viviparous. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 2. The rate of formation of new organic matter by rabbit in a grassland is secondary productivity, net primary productivity, gross primary productivity, net productivity. We are talking about rabbit. Correct answer is option 1, secondary productivity. Question number 3. The 3' to 5' phosphodiester linkage inside a polynucleotide chain serves to join. What does the 3' 5' phosphodiesterase linkage joins? One nucleoside with another nucleoside, one nucleotide with another nucleotide, one nitrogenous base with a pentose sugar, one DNA strand with other DNA strand. The correct answer is option 2, one nucleotide with another nucleotide. Question number 4. If you suspect a major deficiency of antibodies in a person, to which of the following would you look to confirm the evidence? You are suspecting that there is a deficiency of antibodies in a person. Which of the following would you look? These following are the things that are there in blood. Okay, which of these would you look as a confirmatory evidence? Serum globulin, fibrinogen in plasma, serum albumin, hemocytes. The correct answer is option 1, that is serum globulins. Question number 5. If a child is O blood group and his father is B blood group, the genotype of father is IOIO, IAIB, IOIB or IOIA. Child is O and father is B. Correct answer is option C. The father's genotype is IOIB. Question number 6. Bartholin's gland is found in penis, stomach, liver or vagina. The correct answer is option D, that is in vagina. Question number 7. What will happen if the stretch receptors of urinary bladder wall are totally removed? Micturition will continue. Urine will continue to collect normally in bladder. There will be no micturition. Urine will not collect in bladder. What will happen if the stretch receptors of urinary bladder are totally removed? Correct answer is option C. There will be no micturition. Why is the micturition there? Micturition is there because when the bladder gets filled, stretch receptors of the bladder send signals to the spinal cord and the brain, which returns as a signal for urination. Now, if the stretch receptors are removed, even if the bladder will get filled, no signals would come for micturition, so there will be no micturition. Question number 8. Root development is promoted by auxin, gibberellin, ethylene, abscisic acid. Root development is promoted by. Correct answer is option A, auxin. Question number 9. In germinating seeds, fatty acids are degraded exclusively in mitochondria, protoplastids, glyoxysomes, peroxisomes. In germinating seed, what is the site of degradation of fatty acid? The correct answer is option C, glyoxysomes. Question number 10. Heartwood differs from sapwood in presence of rays and fibers, absence of vessels and parenchyma, having dead and non-conducting elements, being susceptible to pests and pathogens. Heartwood differs from sapwood in. Correct answer is option C, in having dead and non-conducting elements. Question number 11. Notochord originates from option A, mesoderm, option B, ectoderm, option C, endoderm, option D, none of these. Notochord originates from. Correct answer is option A, that is, it originates from mesoderm. Question number 12. Factors governing the Earth's surface is topographic, edaphic, temperature, or biotic. The correct answer is option A, topographic factors. Question number 13. Modern detergents contain enzyme preparations of thermophiles, acidophiles, alkaliphiles, or thermoacidophiles. Correct answer is option 3, alkaliphiles. Question number 14. A common biocontrol agent for control of plant diseases is baculovirus, Bacillus thuringiensis, glomus, trichoderma. Correct answer is option 4, that is trichoderma. Question number 15. Which one of the following pairs of items correctly belong to the category of organs mentioned against it? Wings of honeybee, wings of crow, homologous organs. Thorn of bougainvillea, tendrils of cucurbita, analogous organ. Nictitating membrane, blind spot in human eye, vestigial organ. Nephridia of earthworm, malphizian tubules of cockroach, excretory organs. The correct answer is option D. Nephridia of earthworm and malphizian tubules of cockroach, both are excretory organs. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful. And if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.